If you look at your personal life, do you feel like you are having a wow experience as a consumer in all of your fintech interactions, right? Whether it's your bank, your wealth management, your insurance, your other capabilities, and the same question for small business. And if you don't feel like that's the case, which I don't, then that means there is a ton of opportunity still ahead for people to innovate and make life better. So I think long term, I continue to be very bullish because I think there's still a lot of friction in all these experiences. Two, I think people sometimes underestimate how long things take, right? Because in the end of the last decade or beginning part of this decade, fintech was so hot, right? And everyone was wanting to invest in it. But, when I joined PayPal in 2004, when we would go to talk to large financial institutions around the world about partnering with them, we used to have to spend the first half hour educating them on what PayPal was and why we were not risky and why we were really doing the right things on the compliance side and why they should feel comfortable taking us on as a customer, right? And similarly, Adyen has had a ton of success, but Adyen started way back in 2006. And so to your point, if you look at, I think some of the fintech companies that are doing well and have scaled, they've been around for quite a while, right? I think there was an article today that Klarna filed potentially. I think Chime has in the recent past. I think examples in Europe of companies doing well are Monzo and Revolut. So I think there is a big wave of really scaled fintechs, but they've been at it for quite a while. And I think there's also this sort of still quite a lot of friction in consumer and small business fintech related experiences that I think hopefully either companies that exist today or new companies that are getting formed will help solve. So that's why I'm quite bullish, not just about next year, but about the whole fintech space for the coming years.